Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday the 27th of May, bank holiday weekend. And we're having some really great weather at the moment. It's about 9:30 in the morning. Last night we had some thunderstorms. Well, let's not call them thunderstorms, let's call them lightning storms all around here. It's probably about 5 or 6 thunderclouds. Of course, you couldn't see them until the lightning struck. But the strange thing was, we didn't have any rain and we didn't have any thunderclaps. I've never known that before. Normally you have both. But we had the rain in the morning. Really did come down for probably half an hour. So the ground is all wet. But look at it now. It's just glorious. In fact, my arm's burning here holding the camera, so it's not going to be too long. Plan is to go and check out the area around Chisel Beach. There's the Swannery just up the road. Saw the signs for that when we were heading to the pub. And in that direction, you know, Chisel Beach is like 30 kilometres long, 29 kilometres or something like that. That's 18 miles. That's some distance. I didn't realise it was that long, and it's completely natural. Anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing today, I think. I hope. And let's, fingers crossed, we have the rain keep at bay. But I wasn't grown up in my But I wasn't grown up in my We've stopped at this viewing point and we can see the entire harbour, Portland Harbour, and most likely the entire length of Chisel Beach. It is quite a good view, do you not think?
It's all right.
And you got the, it's all right. And you got the Olympic rings over there where everyone's taking photographs. But let's just take a look at this view here. That is amazing. Parking down on the Chisel Beach is not free, but where we parked at the moment here is free. Plenty of room for motorhomes,
but not caravans,
and no overnight parking, which is a shame because it'd be a great place to stop.
72 hours, isn't it? Up to 72.
You can't sleep.
No sleeping.
No sleeping, but you can park 72 hours. Of course, this is the place where they did some of the sailing events for the 2012 Olympics in the UK.
I think that was further down, wasn't it?
No, it was here. You just read the sign thing there. So we have arrived at Portland Bill. That is Portland Bill, I believe. Parking here, tons and tons and tons of parking. Just there. However, not very much for motorhomes. All the bays are really quite small, and of course they've got that border all the way around, so you can't just hang the back over onto grass and stuff. So what we've done, we're taking up 2 bays, and we're paying for 2 bays. Right, we're only going to stay here for about an hour. Anyway, and it's £1 a bay for an hour, essentially. Apparently you can climb up the lighthouse. Seem to do that quite often recently, don't we? So that's probably what we're going to be ending up doing. Wow, that's tourist trap central in there. Gift shop selling rocks and fossils and that kind of thing, and statues of the Lighthouse. Guided tour, half an hour, £7 each. A, it's expensive, and B, we haven't got a lot of time on the meter, to be honest, so just have a wander around here, I think. I've come to the furthest point I can go now, right on the edge. It's about a 4-meter drop down there, as you can see, but just looking back, no idea what that obelisk is all about. It doesn't seem to be anything, any writing about it, and of course there's the lighthouse, Portland Bill there. So a bit further around the coast now, obviously that's the lighthouse and there's the obelisk. Just check out this scenery around here though. People are climbing this rock. There's some footholds in the rock there and they're on top of it. Nutters. And what we're standing on is this massive, very dark rock, but if you look closely, it looks like shells. Maybe some sort of thing to do with, I mean, this is the Jurassic Coast, so I can only assume that this is some sort of old lava flow and picked up a whole bunch of shellfish or something. I don't know. Anybody out there know what I'm talking about? All right, so we are now at the Chisel Beach Visitor Centre. That's it there. Car park, humongous car park, plenty of room for motorhomes. No bay stuff, so you can just be whatever size you are. And this is Fleet Lagoon. There's a couple of little egrets, but that is separated from the sea, which is just behind this humongous 15-meter tall shingle beach called Chisel Beach. Completely natural, runs for about 18 miles in that direction and in that direction towards Portland, and we're gonna go and have a wander over onto it. Wow. And there is the other side of Chisel Beach. Looking back, there's a lagoon, Fleet. And then earlier today we were up here. Wow, you can see either side here. Truly amazing. I think someone's found a nice cozy spot. So the Chisel Beach is the UK's only natural World Heritage Site. All these pebbles, they get washed upon, well, basically it's built by that thing out there, the ocean. Yeah, so it's naturally forming. I thought at first it was man-made, but not. And these are all protected. You're not allowed to take these away from the beach. How ridiculous is that? There's more of them on there than I could ever contemplate.
Took a couple of handfuls.
Okay, I'm right on a coast here, right on the edge of the water. It looks very clear, extremely clear. The sun glistening off the water there. Looks amazing. Now then, I just want to find out if it's cold. That is a booty. Snuck up on me. We're back in Herman. We've made our way back, and we've had quite a long, tiring day in this glorious sunshine. No rain. Now there's not even a cloud in the sky. The sun is setting. And yeah, is there anything you'd like to say about today?
Well, I think I've caught the sun because I feel a bit red, so I'm probably going to look a bit...
We can hardly see you there in your red top.
I'll move back. No, it's been a lovely day today. We haven't done a lot, have we? But it's been very relaxing.
We did a lot of relaxing on that.
Lovely place.
Yeah.
Chisel Beach. Yeah.
It's a shame we didn't go in the Lighthouse, but it was a bit expensive. You couldn't wander around yourself.
And also we were kind of a bit conscious of the time, weren't we?
Yeah.
So, and we've been in a lighthouse recently anyway, hadn't we? So,
yeah,
I wasn't too bothered. And I wanted to see the area as well. It's nice to walk along, wasn't it?
So, I'm going to end the video here because tomorrow is Monday. I don't think we're going to be doing anything much, are we?
No,
because we've got to head home and it's going to be busy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos to your friends on Facebook and all the other social media sites. And of course, subscribing to YouTube is free. Did you know that? Did you know that?
I did.
And you've subscribed now, so that's really cool. So, thank you very much and goodbye.
From Zert.
And goodbye from me. Adios. Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.